In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Drive for file storage and sharing. Google Drive is a versatile tool that can streamline your digital organization by allowing you to store, manage, and share files and folders with ease. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to Google Drive and log into your account. Once you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Google Drive interface. On the left sidebar, you'll see a prominently displayed button labeled Plus New. Clicking this button gives you options to create new files or upload existing ones from your device. Next, if your goal is to upload a file or folder, simply click on File Upload after pressing the Plus New button. You'll have two choices here: file upload for individual files, or folder upload if you have an entire folder to upload. Select the appropriate option, browse for the files or folders you want to add, and click Open to start the upload process. This step is crucial for storing your documents online, where they can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. Once you have your files in Google Drive, sharing them with others is straightforward. Begin by right-clicking on the file or folder you intend to share. A menu will pop up and you'd want to click Share. This brings up a dialog box where you decide who can access your content and what they are allowed to do with it. In the sharing dialog, you can enter the email addresses of the people with whom you want to share the file. Google Drive allows you to set specific permissions for each person. For instance, if you want someone to only view the document, set their status as a viewer. If they need to add comments, assign them as a commenter. And if they're meant to collaboratively work on the document, give them editor status. These permissions ensure that your file is accessed just as you intended it to be. If you're looking to share broadly, copying a link might be the best approach. To do this, right-click the file and choose Get Link. Decide on the permission level, either restricted, where only specified individuals with the link can access it, or anyone with the link, meaning anyone who receives this link will have access. Once this is set, simply copy the link and share it through email, chat, or any platform you prefer. After setting up the sharing permissions, don't forget to click Done to save all your changes. This step confirms that the actions you've chosen are applied and your files are now accessible according to your settings. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now use Google Drive to store, manage, and share your files efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.